And the IFTA goes to The Apprentice.
No less the sweeter for the second year in the row. We are absolutely thrilled. I can't tell you, it's just so fantastic that we've won it. I worked with and had the privilege of leading the most fantastic and talented production team this year. And I am so proud of every single one of them. But, you know what I mean, too many to mention, and I'll end up forgetting somebody and feelings will be hurt. So just to all of them, the Apprentice production office is virtually a female-only environment. So just so that we're not done on equality in the workplace, I'd like to thank some very special men in my life. First and foremost, Larry Bass, who has single-handedly kept us all employed for the last 12 months. And he has a phenomenal amount to put up with me. So I'd like to thank Larry from the bottom of my heart. Secondly, TV3's Ben Frau, who is our sharpest critic and my best friend in an edit suite, and I love him dearly. Thirdly, Trevor Cunningham, who sorted out all our sound problems this year, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart, Trevor. For Paddy Gibbons in number 4, who mixed every programme like it was the last programme, and he gave it every single detail that it needed. Mark Long in Piranha Bar, who never says no to me. And finally, but not least, Joe Edwards, DOP, who inspires us every day to do the best possible work we can. And with that, thanks a million.
Thank you, Linda. I won't keep it too much longer, but this show wouldn't happen without a whole team of sponsors. So I'd like to thank Meteor Ireland, all the other sponsors, the TV3. I'd also like to thank Linda and all the production team. I'd also like to thank Mr. Bill Cullen, Jackie and Brian, and Scott Crew from Mark Burnett's office. I'd like to thank my wife, Catherine, and the kids at home, and I'd like to dedicate this award to my father, who's a couple of weeks' time, he's 80 years old, and he told me hard work never hurt anyone. So thank you, Dad.